In the vast expanse of our solar system, danger lurks in the most unexpected corners. Welcome to a journey that will take us from the scorching heat of Venus to the icy wastes of Pluto, and to the perilous radiation fields of Jupiter. Space, the final frontier, is not as hospitable as it may seem. This cosmic neighborhood of ours is filled with hidden threats, unpredictable phenomena, and inherent risks that could spell disaster for the unprepared. For those who dare to venture into the void, understanding these dangers becomes a matter of survival. It's not just about the lack of air or the extreme temperatures. It's the violent solar flares, the unyielding radiation, the deceptive gravity traps, and the relentless cosmic debris. So as we prepare to traverse the celestial spheres, let's uncover the unseen dangers that lie in wait. Remember, knowledge is the key to survival in these treacherous realms. So brace yourselves as we embark on a thrilling journey to reveal the unseen perils of our cosmic neighborhood. Imagine a world where the air burns, the pressure crushes, and the rain is sulfuric acid. Welcome to Venus, the second planet from the Sun, shrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere. This celestial body is anything but a paradise. Here, the temperature averages at 865 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of Mercury, despite being further away from the Sun. This extreme heat is due to a runaway greenhouse effect, where the planet's atmosphere traps the Sun's heat, causing temperatures to soar. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is a staggering 92 times that of Earth, equivalent to being a kilometer deep underwater. This crushing pressure, combined with the scorching heat, makes Venus a truly inhospitable environment. And let's not forget the corrosive rains. Composed of sulfuric acid, these rains never reach the ground, instead evaporating due to the intense heat, creating a constant cycle of acid rain. Venus, a beautiful spectacle from afar, but a living nightmare up close. From searing heat to lethal radiation, our next stop is the gas giant Jupiter. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is not just a spectacle of cosmic beauty, it's a swirling cauldron of deadly radiation. This radiation comes from the planet's intense magnetic field, which traps high-energy particles, creating belts of radiation that encircle the planet. These radiation belts are incredibly potent, far stronger than anything we have on Earth. They pose a significant threat to any spacecraft that dares to venture too close, let alone potential explorers. The radiation can fry electronics, damage solar panels, and even penetrate the hulls of spacecraft, posing a serious risk to any life on board. Yet despite its deadly nature, Jupiter's radiation also creates one of the most spectacular light shows in the solar system, the auroras at its poles. This is the dual nature of Jupiter, a planet both beautiful and deadly. Jupiter, a majestic giant with a deadly embrace. From radiation to bone-chilling cold, we venture to the outer edges of our solar system, to the dwarf planet Pluto. Imagine a world where the temperature plummets to a staggering negative 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is Pluto, a realm of eternal frost and unending night. The very air freezes solid and the ground underfoot is a mix of rock and solid nitrogen. This hostile environment is a stark reminder of the extremes our universe can reach. The challenges posed by these conditions are immense. Standard equipment would fail, traditional fuels would freeze, and human life, as we know it, would be unsustainable. Despite these formidable obstacles, the mysteries held within this frozen wasteland continue to pique our curiosity. What secrets lie beneath the icy surface? Could there be an unseen form of life adapted to this harsh reality? Pluto, a frozen wasteland where survival seems an impossible feat. Let's leave the cold behind and set course for the red planet Mars. Mars, with its rusty red appearance and rocky terrain, might seem like a more hospitable destination compared to the icy reaches of Pluto or the volatile atmosphere of Venus. However, don't be fooled. This seemingly serene planet has its fair share of hidden dangers. First among these is the violent dust storms that engulf the entire planet. These storms are not your everyday gusts of wind, they are colossal tempests with winds reaching up to 60 miles per hour, capable of shrouding the entire planet in a dusty haze for months. Imagine being caught in the middle of such a storm. It's a powerful reminder that even the calmest-looking planets can be deceptive. If the dust storms aren't enough to make you pause, consider the thin atmosphere of Mars. It's about 100 times less dense than Earth's, which means it provides little protection from harmful solar radiation. This radiation can be lethal to unshielded life forms and electronic equipment alike. Any mission to Mars, be it human or robotic, must take this into account. And what about water? Water is vital to life as we know it, but on Mars, it's mostly locked away as ice in the polar caps. The rest of the planet is incredibly dry, with a barren landscape that stretches for miles. If humans are to colonize Mars, finding a reliable source of water will be one of the greatest challenges. Lastly, let's not forget the extreme temperatures. Mars can get as cold as -80 degrees Fahrenheit at night, and though it can reach a more comfortable 60 degrees during the day, such extreme fluctuations are far from ideal for human habitation. Mars, a world of red and rust, offering a beauty that belies its harsh reality. As we continue our exploration of the solar system, we must remain mindful of these challenges, understanding that each new world offers not only opportunities for discovery, but also a host of new dangers. From burning skies to freezing wastelands, our solar system is a tapestry of danger and beauty. Indeed, this cosmic neighborhood we call home is as perilous as it is fascinating. Venus, with its inferno-like conditions, is a stark reminder of the extremes that exist out there. Jupiter's deadly radiation zones serve as a cautionary tale of the invisible threats that lurk within the beauty of the cosmos. The frozen wastelands of Pluto emphasize the sheer diversity of environmental conditions in our solar system, while Mars, with its chaotic terrain, underscores the unpredictable nature of these celestial bodies. Each of these places, in their own way, contribute to the mosaic of threats that space explorers need to be prepared for. Understanding these dangers is not just about survival, but also about appreciating the complexity and diversity of our universe. It's a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of all who dare to venture into the cosmos. As we continue to venture into the unknown, remember, space holds both breathtaking wonders and terrifying dangers.